My name is Prabhakarraj. I am from Tamil Nadu and I completed my bachelor degree in PSG College of Technology and I graduated in 2024. And I was know about this institute from my cousin and he was joined here and he was got placed. So when I come here and I inquire this about course, this institute suggests me to learn the software testing course. I just joined the software testing course and I learned manual testing from Shruti ma'am. Shruti ma'am teaching is good and start to learn Oracle SQL and after SQL and I was started to learn Selenium and Python. So the class was very interactive and I was able to learn more from Python and Selenium and I was very interested in automation Selenium. Sponsor supported me to get placed in this institute and others sir helped me to uh, with the Python program and then I also attended many interview grooming sessions where I can improve my confidence and improve my knowledge